Hello, greetings from Axanta Business Solutions. In this video, we'll walk through the Get Retail Products API. This API is used to fetch product information from Axanta ERP. The API returns detailed product data including names, descriptions, pricings, categories, etc. Before diving into the API, let's see the products in the back office. To do so, we shall go into the inventory module under Common Forms, Products, and we shall see all the products over here. Once we click a product, we can get all the details related to that product. So what type of product this is, what is the sales price, what is the cost price, and etc. We can also set the product code and barcode over here. In the website section, we have the details regarding the website. So the website name of the product, website description, website second name, that is the name in Arabic or any other language, website second description, the description in Arabic or any other language. Is website product is a flag which is used to determine that this product is a website product or not. If this option is marked, this product would be appeared in the API response. If not, this product would not be there. We can also set the website categories over here. We also have this image URLs for this particular product, which can be useful to show on the e-commerce platform. In the categorization section, we can categorize this product into its department, division, category, subcategory, and more. We can also associate a product with a product model. This product model is basically a main product, and this product would be a variant of that product. For example, this XPS 15. This is the model, the main product, and this product is a variant. Over here, as we see, we have multiple Dell XPS 15 variants in our back office. We also have this product second name, which is used to display this Arabic name in the back office. We can also assign attributes to this particular product like colors, size, seasons, gender, etc. We also have this unpublished and published flag, which is used to determine whether to show this product on e-commerce platform or not. So for example, we have this website product, but we don't want to show it on the e-commerce platform for now. We can just unpublish it, and then we will get this unpublished in the API response. Now let's hit the API and see its response. But before that, as we can see, I have passed company ID in the payload. This is not required but should be passed in case of multi-company. If you don't pass, the system will by default take the first company that is there. As we can see, we have got all the products that are is website products in Axanta ERP. Based on this model, we have got all the variants over here. So this is the first variant, this is the second one, this is the third one, and we have more below. In the variants, we have the name of the variant, the name of the product basically, the website name of the product, the second name, which is the name in Arabic, and we have website descriptions, website second description, product model, type, name, and this is the published flag. So this particular product is published. Over here, as we can see, we have the IDs of the categories instead of names. This is because the Get Retail Products API is integrated with one of our other APIs, that is Get Product Hierarchy, which returns all the hierarchy structure that is there in the Axanta ERP. Over here, as we can see, we have the image URL which we have set on the product. So here's all the details that we get once we hit this Get Retail Products API. We also have this load incremental flag in the API. So once we pass this load incremental in the headers, we'll get the products that are recently updated in a specific time frame. As we can see, we don't have any product that are recently updated response. To set the time interval, we shall go into the settings under webhook, and over here we can set the time interval. So this is the Get Retail Products API in Axanta ERP.